came to skate this spot and there's a dead rat. I got here and it just smelled really badly, like a dead animal, and sure enough, there's a dead animal right over here. Let me see. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll probably see if I can go throw it in the trash or something. That sucked. Still smells terrible. I don't even know if I'm gonna try to skate this spot today. I think I might just go skate somewhere else. I don't know. Anyway. All right, that one sucked. I gotta get a better switch crook. All right, that sucked. But I wanna try half cab crooks because I suck at half cab crooks. So I'm gonna try some half cab crooks. Hopefully I can land one. I wouldn't bet too much money on it though. We'll see if I can land one. I suck at this trick and definitely losing light, so my goal wasn't to grind the whole box. I just wanted to get into one and grind one. I have so much trouble getting into that trick that if I can just start getting them and grinding them, I know that I'll be able to grind them longer. So I just really want to get the trick down where I'm getting in and grinding, so all right. That was a miracle. That really was a miracle because I suck at that trick and I landed it, so super stoked. Looks like I'm running out of light. It still smells terrible here, so I'm gonna try to do maybe a couple more tricks. Maybe I'll try some frontside crooked grinds because I need to work on those. Is there something in my nose? Ew. Anyway, I'm gonna try some frontside crooks. Maybe backside 180 nose grind. I wanted to skate the rail, but there's like the remains of dead rat over there. I'm like, no way. So, all right, let's try some couple more tricks before it's completely dark. No pond. That sucked. It's also really hard to skate here because it just stinks. It stinks terribly. I think I'm starting to just focus on the smell now, and like, I think that's what made me fall. Dead rat smell. I'm just kidding. I suck. I missed it. One more try. Missed it. All right, I landed it. We're just in the nick of time because it's getting too fucking dark. Even the moon's out. It's fun skating here. Dead rat, stinks too much. It's a cool little spot. Box, quarter pipe, manu pad, rail. I enjoy skating. I need to skate here more. So hopefully I can come back and work on some more tricks. Anyways, thank you for watching. You guys have a good day. Peace.